AI isn't just taking over, it's clocking in, sipping coffee, and replacing humans at work. But don't panic, you can either fear it, or use it like a boss. Let's check out 5 AI tools that are replacing jobs in 2025, and how you can outsmart the robots. Copywriters, meet your robotic competition. Copy.ai can write blog posts, ads, emails, and product descriptions faster than your morning coffee brews. Good news? It doesn't complain about deadlines. Bad news? It never sleeps. Hate being on camera? Great. DID creates human-like talking avatars from just text in a photo. It's basically like cloning yourself, minus the hairline issues. Now your boss can fire you and keep your face, yikes, designers beware. Midjourney turns text into stunning artwork and designs in seconds. Type futuristic tiger in space. And boom, Picasso who? It's like having an artsy cousin who never charges you. Video editors. Brace yourself. RunwayML removes backgrounds, adds effects, and edits videos magically. It's like Adobe Premiere, if it had wizard powers. It even auto-generates captions because nobody has time for typos. This one's scary smart. AutoGPT is an autonomous AI agent that can plan, research, and complete tasks without you lifting a finger. It's like hiring a digital intern, who's never on TikTok. Careful, it might apply for your job after analyzing your resume. AI is replacing jobs, but also creating massive opportunities. Use these tools with your skills, not instead of them, and you'll be unbeatable in 2025. Which AI tool impressed you the most? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button before AI does it for you.